Hi there, what can I put it in?
A large steep tea, 1 sweetener, 2 milk. Thank you.
Have a wonderful day. Enjoy the sunshine.
After getting a beverage, the first stop is Oxford Dodge Jeep for the 2025 Jeep Fest.
How you doing?
Find a place to park somewhere and then come up and register.
Oh, hi.
Hello.
Good.
Are you pre-registered?
No,
Okay. What's your first name?
my name's Big Dave.
Big Dave.
Oh,
Yep.
Dave spent the next 2.5 hours meeting fellow Jeepers, finding old friends, and of course, passing out Big Dave ducks. Next, it's back on the road to do some food content. Today, it's Field to Truck, a food truck Dave has been wanting to check out. That video will be coming soon. After the review, a setback. Trail Beast will start, but won't run.
Jeeps. You love them and you hate them.
After a talk with Dave's friend, Neil had suggested the fuel pump relay.
Thank you.
Dave manages to make it work, and a trip to Ryan gets it replaced. Now it's a visit to Bongo's Bongs.
Busy place in here today, so this place is always going crazy.
Hello. New product that we got in.
Are these all new bongs here?
Yeah.
God, you guys are always getting the newest, coolest stuff.
We revamped this entire wall right here.
Wow, look at that, eh? We got some stickers in. I thought we should get these out with, maybe with purchases. People come in, give them a sticker.
While in the market, a trip to Tyler to check out the new snacks and a little slice ahead.
Loaded Oreos,
Oh,
chocolate covered
pretzel Oreo.
Check this place out at Gibraltar. You don't need to be a Jeeper to love a Big Dave guy.
Oh my God, you guys getting busy?
We are, thank you. Yeah, we're having a great time.
That Dave guy at the market, truly a gem. Tell Lindsay the big guy sent you. Next stop, Neil's. Dave has been meaning to bring him a new Dave Eats tea. But after the rescue today, better sooner than later. Next stop, Kyle's Barbecue, inside Forked River Brewery, to celebrate Bogline Smoker's newest creation, the twin 5,000-gallon smoker. Any excuse for Kyle's Barbecue is a valid one. People on the patio. The weather is finally great. Did Dave just score the best parking spot at this joint?
Busy day. Well, we're here for this big event down at Kyle's. We might as well go and order something. I think I've done a million things today already. Texas Twinkies.
Texas Twinkies.
Is that any, what's going on today? What's so special about
Oh,
today?
we're just having a patio party today, welcoming the two smokers out there, the twins. Yeah.
Perfect. You got a lot of people out here. Anything else special today besides Texas Twinkies?
So I have beef ribs today, the brisket burger fries, a elote salad. We're doing half chickens, pork belly burn ends, pork steak, and the Texas Twinkies.
You got a lot of stuff. 2 Texas Twinkies for now because I think I've already been somewhere. Haven't I already eaten something today? All right, day in the life, Big Dave. We're at Kyle's. We've been going all day. I got a busy life. Texas Twinkies. Now, Kyle smokes these on his barbecue, but Heather makes them. So just so you know, if they're no good, Heather, this is on you. Just saying. Let's check it out. Now they're jalapeno. They're wrapped in bacon. I'm pretty sure it's got barbecue sauce on it. I think that's just the pickles I smell there. I need the knife here. What did I do with that knife? Okay, so I'm going to pick this up. What do you think has in there? Listen, I'm going to say cream cheese.
brisket.
Is there brisket in there? I don't know. I can smell the jalapeno. They look great. Are we going to take a bite? Let's go. I'm going to say there's brisket in there with that cream cheese. Maybe even some cheddar cheese. Wrapped in bacon. Smoked. Barbecue sauce on it. It's got a little heat to it, but God, that's delicious. This is a nice little treat, but I think that might be it for adventures today. I have to go back and edit some videos. Unless you want to come along with me and do that too. Probably not. That's the boring part of my day, but hey, thanks for watching this part. I'm Big Dave, and this is, I guess it's a day in the life of Big Dave. Big Dave!